One of the most important exercises that we do without even realizing is breathing. However, in today's society, your lungs are affected heavily by unhealthy personal habits or environmental pollution. But it's almost impossible to monitor your lungs on a daily basis. This is BULO, your personalized breathing training assistant. Place BULO in your mouth and breathe out for just 6 seconds. It tells you the age of your lungs, your maximum air capacity, and tracks your daily progress. Based on the collected data, BULO suggests customized breathing exercises that you can make a part of your daily routine. You'll notice the difference it can make on your daily activities that rely on proper breathing. BULO is crafted from non-toxic materials. It's super low maintenance. And extremely compact, so that you can always keep it on you. Your personalized breathing training assistant. Breathe better with BULO.